This is the third equation, third numericals based on the Nernst equation. Now, in this question, calculate the cell potential of the following cell reaction at the 298 Kelvin. Sn plus 4 1.5 molar plus Zn solid gives Sn plus 2 0.50 molar plus Zn plus 2 2.0 m. Now E cell naught for this reaction is given this is the E cell for this reaction. Solution in solution. First of all, we write the equation in two half equation, one for the oxidation and another for the reduction. So this is the reaction in which reduction of Sn plus 4 take place in Sn plus 2 by the gain of 2 electron, and this is the act take place at cathode. Here in this case Zn now gives Zn plus 2 ion by the loss of the 2 electron. This is the oxidation, that's why it take place at anode, and overall cell reaction बराबर Sn plus 4 plus Zn gives Sn plus 2 plus Zn plus 2. Now we are going to represent cell. किस तरह से इसको हम सेल में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट सेल. हाँ, दिस इज द ऑक्सीडेशन, दैट्स वाई यू राइट हियर Zn ऑब्लिक Zn प्लस 2. ठीक है, सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. दिस इज द सेल रिप्रेजेंटेशन and this is salt bridge, symbol of the salt bridge. You write here concentration 2.0 molar. In this case in the reduction half cell you write Sn plus 2 with the concentration 1.5 molar oblique Sn plus 2 concentration 0.50 molar. There is the total numbers of the electron transfer is from oxidation half cell to reduction half cell is 2 electron. This is the oxidation half cell, this is the reduction half cell, this is the negative end of the cell and this is the positive end of the cell, and this is act as a anode and this is act as a cathode. Now write the Nernst equation for this reaction. Nernst equation for this cell reaction. क्या होगा? E cell is equal to E cell naught minus 0.0591 divided by n log Zn plus 2 ion concentration into Sn plus 2 ion concentration divided by Sn plus 4 ion concentration. This is the Nernst equation for this cell reaction. You write, now put the value for the cell E naught cell value. The value of E naught cell is equal to 8.089. So you put this value here 0.89 volt minus 0.0591. Here in this equation n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 because there are the two numbers of the electron take participate in this reaction. Only the 2 electron take participate in this reaction. That's why you put here n barabar 2, and the log zinc ion concentration is equal to 2. Zinc ion concentration is equal to 2 into Sn ion concentration is equal to Sn plus 2 ion concentration is equal to 0.5. Sn plus 2 plus 4 ion concentration is equal to 1.5. So you write here 1.5. Now solve it. 8.9 minus 0.0591 divided by 2. In this case, log 1 by 1.5. Log 1 by 1.5. Log 1 by 1.5. ठीक है. Now you write here 8.89 minus 0.0591 divided by 2. Solve it. Log 10 minus log 15. Now put the value of log 9, log 10 and log 15 you obtained by 2. Log 10 is equal to 1 minus log 15 is equal to 1 point. Log 15 is equal to 1 minute. We can check out. Put the value of the log 15 here. 1.1761. This is the value of this. Now solve it. Put the value of this. Solve it. 8.89 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 into minus 0.1761. Now put this total value 0.0. This is the plus sign and this is plus sign, or when you calculate this value then you obtained 0.0052. When you add this then you find 0.8952 volt. This is the value of this equation. This is the next question based on the Nernst equation. This is the next question based on the Nernst equation. Calculate the cell potential of the following cell. Aluminium oblique aluminium plus 2 3 है plus 3 and Saltbridge nickel plus 2 oblique nickel. Standard electrode potential of this cell electrode are given as. Now write the cell equation for these two. For this cell solution, write here cell equation. Cell equation at anode. This is the anode where the oxidation takes place. So aluminium convert into the aluminium plus 3 by the loss of 3 electron. At anode, at cathode nickel plus 2 ion take 2 electron and convert into the nickel like this. You see here there are the numbers of the electron are differ in both the half equations, so you multiply here by 2 and in this equation you multiply by 3 and add this, then overall cell reaction is obtained. This is the cell reaction which is obtained here. Aluminium 2 aluminium plus 3 nickel plus 2 gives Al plus 3 2 Al plus 3 plus 3 nickel. Now write the Nernst equation for this reaction. Here total numbers of the electron, there are the 6 electron, total numbers of the 6 electron take participate. So in for this equation n is equal to 6, you take n is equal to 6, we take n is equal to 6 because there are the 6 numbers of the electron take participate in the cell reaction. When you write the Nernst equation for this cell reaction is as E cell is equal to E cell naught minus 0.0591 divided by n log, right here aluminum ion concentration, the power 2, because in this equation you see here there are the 2 used as a stoichiometric coefficient, so you raise the power by the 2. Now in this case, in case of the nickel, you write here nickel plus 2 ion, and this concentration is raised by the 3 because there are the 3 stoichiometric coefficient used for the balancing the equation. Now calculate the E cell naught for this cell reaction. E naught of aluminum is equal to 1.66 and E naught of nickel is equal to minus 0.25, and this is also minus. So E naught is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Put the value of E naught cathode. E naught cathode is equal to minus 0.25 because on this electrode reduction take place, minus 1.66 volt. Now when you solve it, then you find minus 0.25 plus 1.66 is equal to 1.41 volt. This is the value of this. Now put the value of the E cell standard in this equation, and concentration of the aluminum ion and nickel ion from nickel ion which are present here. This is the concentration of the aluminum ion, this is the concentration of the nickel ion. Put these value in this equation. Now we get E cell is equal to 1.41 minus 0.0591 divided by 6 log aluminum ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 square divided by 0.5 के power 3. When you solve this, 1.414 minus 0.0591 divided by 6 log, the value of this log 10 the power 6, and in this case 5 into 5 into 5 into 10 the power minus 3, like this. You write here 1.414 minus 0.0591 divided by 6 log 10 the power minus 3 divided by 125 divided by 125. Now calculate it. You find 1.414 minus 0.0591 divided by 6, and this is the log. When you solve this, then you find log 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. Log 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. Log 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. When you put the value of this 1414, 0.0591 divided by 6, you put here log 8 minus plus minus 6 log 10, 1.414. 1.414 minus 0.0591 divided by 6. Put the value of this. You find overall this value. When you put this value, put the value of the log 8, you have put 0.9030, and this is the minus this value is the minus 6. When you solve this, 1.41 minus 0.0591 divided by 6, you find here minus 509. When you solve it, then you obtained 1.414 माइनस मिलके प्लस हो जाएगा, और ये पूरा जब सॉल्व करते हैं तो आता है बेटा 0.0501. when you add this, then you obtained 1.46 volt. 1.46 volt. This is the final answer of this question. This is the final answer of this question. So you can write here answer: E cell is equal to 1.46 volt. Thank you.